Hey everybody, it's Jenny and I am here today to share with you how I used my mini happy planner in 2017. Now I switched this out. I put this cover and the white discs on this. It was actually the Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You mini planner. And you'll see that on the pages on the inside, but I switched out the cover because I really liked this cover a lot. And obviously I love white discs. Okay, for some reason January is missing. I don't know what happened to January. I can't find it. So we'll have to move forward with February. I did keep some little sticky notes in here in case I needed them. I rarely did. I really liked this planner. The colors were really pretty, even though I don't consider myself into colors. This was a really pretty pink and black and white week with happy planner stuff, and I love this sticker. I also tried to add some hand lettering every now and again, or most weeks actually, just because it's kind of a fun little thing, right? This was a good week. The colors were really good and the overall design looks really nice actually. And oopsies, flipping ahead. This is so cute. Scraptastic Club kit, some stamping as well, which was really fun. An all stamping week. If you have watched here this year, I have had this major hurdle with stamping in the mini happy planner because of the lines, and I don't know why I have such a mental block with that, but I do. So this is really tremendous. However, looking at it reminds me, I love stamping in here. I didn't fill out any of the extras in this planner as this was on my on-the-go planner, so I didn't need that at all. These are super cute. I love these colors together. And again, even like a little happy planner stamp as well. A lot of Sweet Stamp Shop stamping, but also these are some happy planner stamps as well. So in addition to the decorative Sweet Stamp Shop ones. This was a Sweet Stamp Shop week. I used stickers from Sweet Stamp Shop, washi, and a little tiny bit of stamping too, if you can see that right there. This was such a cute week. Also stamps from Sweet Stamp Shop, but then also some happy planner stickers as well. I don't love this week, but the colors are very nice, and a little bit of stamping from Sweet Stamp Shop. Floral and pretty with the blacks and the whites and the pinks and the green. I really do like this one. It turned out really nice. And this is one of my favorite washi tapes, so it always makes me smile. Now I did love how adding the washi tape to the edge really gives it not only a cute decorative look, but also a really sturdy feel as well. I don't like this week at all. I'm not going to lie to you. It feels like a hot mess to me, but it does have the washi on the edge, so that part's pretty. I do love the layering of all of these stickers over here, especially a couple of them that I definitely wouldn't have used otherwise, and so I think that they're really pretty like that. More washi on the edge. A really fun, cheerful week from Sweet Stamp Shop. Cheerful and bright. This was also a combination of Happy Planner and Sweet Stamp Shop. So like for example, this was a Sweet Stamp Shop washi and then some Sweet Stamp Shop stickers. They paired together really nicely. I'll have to remember to do this again this year. These are a beautiful set of stickers from Villa Beautiful. And I just love these florals and these colors together as well. Cheerful and fun, perfect for the beginning of summer. And I really like this cluster up here a lot. I think it's super cute. This was a really pretty little kit from Sticker Guru on Etsy. A lot of Sweet Stamp Shop and then a few little happy planner things as well, but I love the washi down the side. That's definitely something that I loved in 2017. Such a cute little layout. Both stamps from Sweet Stamp Shop, but then also some leftovers from the Shepherd Supply Co. kit. Didn't decorate. It was also summer in my defense, so I was home with my kiddos and a little bit easier. Washi and succulents from Sweet Stamp Shop, and then just a really cute sticker as well. There is that navy blue background kit that I talked about in my classic. I love it, and I actually really like this week a lot. It turned out really cute. Didn't plan. The inspiration for this particular week was this Enjoy the Ride sticker, and so I planned all the things around it, including using some sticky notes, like right here, and with the stickers and stuff as well. Now, I didn't say this, I don't think, at the beginning, but this is my on-the-go planner. It stays in my purse, so I don't worry so much about to-do lists or anything like that. So if you're not familiar with my planning in my mini happy planner, I don't add those things in here. This is a really nice monochromatic black and white, and I really liked that. Again, this was a kit from Villa Beautiful, and I just really liked the contrast between the black and the white. The happy birthday sticker was the inspiration for this particular week. I just really liked all the colors and how cheerful and fun it felt. A rainbow week, which I love. Now, this ended up being a hot mess. However, the technique itself is great, and I'm going to try to share it again with you this year. But I also really did love the stickers from Villa Beautiful. So I was kind of sad that this turned into a mess because it was really, the stickers were really great. I did decorate this monthly view. These were all from a Studio Calico kit, and I thought that was super fun. I also really liked this. It was very, very different, not something that I would normally do, but I liked it a lot, and I thought it turned out really cute. Another kit from Villa Beautiful. I felt like it had kind of a fall flare, and then the gold foil was really neat too. Super, super cute. This from Sweet Stamp Shop, but then adding some sparkly paper co and a little bit of Happy Planner stuff as well. Oops, look there, another stamping week. Turned out super cute. And some Villa Beautiful. Again, I love these florals, and they really felt fallish to me, and so I was really excited to use those this week. A wizard inspired week, lots of goodness from Sweet Stamp Shop. I love the washi, and then obviously all the little stamps and stuff. It just made it so much fun. A lot of stickers from Scraptastic Club. I love the whole thing together, and I also love this washi. It was from Simply Gilded on Etsy, and it's just super cute. A Happy Planner Halloween week. Look at that. Love it. So pretty. And I love the girl with the box. It turned out so adorable. Pastel Halloween. I think it's so fun, and I just really enjoy it. A sort of fall take. These are all stickers from Scraptastic Club, and then I also added the big bold stamping for my son's birthday. And then one of my very favorite washi's. For some reason, I love this really thin black and white stripe. Happy Planner Fall, which is so pretty. Then we have the Christmas goodness, which is awesome. Lots of Sweet Stamp Shop fun. I loved this one. It's so cute, and those little Santas just really make my day. This one from Scraptastic Club. Lots of clustering, lots of fun decor. This is actually the last week that I decorated in this Happy Planner. We're going on winter break, and if you can believe it, I actually have no activities at this time, so I did not decorate any more weeks, but I do have a little dashboard and then some note sheets in here as well. If you have any questions or comments or concerns and you want me to answer them, please leave a comment in the box below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the new year.